Top tube adapter adds a top tube for carrying step-through, suspension, and other non-conventional bike frames. Designed for use with hitch and trunk-mounted bicycle carries. For bicycles with a measurement of 18 to 28 stem to seat post. Easy installation, no assembly or tools required. Maximum bicycles weight 45 pounds. Not recommended for use with e-bikes. Fit type. Universal fit. Top reviews from the United States. Must buy. If you are transporting a step-through bike on a hitch-mounted bike rack, this is an essential accessory. This is the second such device I've owned. This was half the price of the first, so I was a bit skeptical initially. It is lighter and the tubing isn't as thick, but after several uses, it has gained my complete confidence. Once extended and in place, it holds the bike firmly and rests perfectly on the bike rack.